Imagine being able to communicate with millions of people from different countries, access unlimited knowledge from around the world, and create opportunity for a brighter future. Although learning a single language, English is more than just a subject taught in school. It is a global language that connects people, culture, and ideas. In today's modern world, learning English has become more one of the most valuable skills a person can acquire. English is one of the most widely spoken and influential languages in the world. It is used as an international language in education, business, science, technology, tourism, and communication. Because of its global importance, learning English offers many advantages that can improve a person's personal, academic, and professional life. It opens doors to new opportunity, create knowledge, and help people communicate with each other across different cultures and countries. One of the greatest advantages of learning English is the ability to communicate with people from around the world. English is spoken in many countries and it often used as a common language between people who speak different native languages. By learning English, individuals can make friends from other countries, exchange ideas, and understand different cultures. Good communication skills help people build confidence and develop strong relationships in both personal and professional settings. Another important advantage of learning English is access to education and knowledge. Many of the world's best university research papers, textbooks, and online courses are available in English. Students who understand English can access a wider range of educational resources and gain knowledge that may not be available in their native language. Furthermore, English allows people to learn directly from international sources without relying on translation. This helps stay informed about global development in society, in science, technology, medicine, and other fields. Learning English also creates better career opportunities. In today's competitive job market, many employers prefer workers who can speak and understand English. International companies often use English as their main language of communication. Employees who are fluent in English can communicate with foreign clients, participate in international projects, and work in multinational organizations. As a result, they often have more job opportunities and higher chances of career advancement. In many positions, English proficiency is considered a valued skill that can increase earning potential and professional success. In addition, English plays a major role in technology and internet. A large percentage of websites, software programs, online tutorials, and digital content are written in English. People who understand English can use these sources more effectively and gain access to a vast amount of information. They can also participate in online community, watch educational videos, read articles, and stay updated with latest trends and innovation. In digital age, English has become an essential tool for learning and growth. Another benefit of learning English is opportunity to travel more comfortably. English is commonly used in airport, hotel, restaurant, and tourist attractions around the world. Travelers who speak English can ask for direction, communicate with locals, and handle various situations more easily. This makes travel more enjoyable and less stressful. English also allows travelers to learn about different cultures and experiences with building connection with people from various backgrounds. Furthermore, learning English helps improve cognitive and language skills. Studying a second language strengthens memories, concentration, problem-solving abilities, and critical thinking. It also improves communication skills and increases awareness of grammars and vocabularies. Learning English encourages discipline, patience, and continuous learning, which are valuable qualities of personal development. Finally, English improves access to entertainment and culture. Many popular books, movies, songs, podcasts, and television programs are produced in English. People who understand English can enjoy this form of entertainment in their original version and gain a deeper understanding of their meaning. They can also appreciate different cultures and perspectives, making them more open-minded and globally aware. In conclusion, learning English offers numerous advantages in communication, education, career development, technologies, travel, and personal growth. It is a powerful tool that connects people across the world and provides access to countless opportunities. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, the importance of learning of English continues to grow. Therefore, learning English is not only an investment in education, but it also an investment in a brighter and more successful future. By mastering English, individuals can expand their horizon, achieve their goal, and confidently participate in global community.